Namaskar. You have the hair loss. Sometime when you consult the doctor, he says that it is normal. There is an increase in hair loss which can be normal, like seasonal in the winter and the rainy season. But it can increase because of some disease, some stress you have faced before, so you have lost the weight, you have done the dieting and all that. Then there is an increase in the hair loss, which is called as telogen effluvium. If you are losing hair more than 150, 200 every day, then it comes in the category of telogen effluvium. So one query, how do I know at home without consulting a doctor, or I do not trust the doctor? Then how I can confirm or how I can assess that my hair loss is normal or it's not normal? So very simple test, I tell you, it's called as a hair pull test. Need not to go anywhere for that. Even with the help of any of your close relative, you can do at home. You catch hold of around 100 strands of hair in the fingers, or like this, or you can hold like this also, and just pull it from just at the top of the or scalp to the end of the hair, and then see how many hairs has come in your hand or in between the fingers. If more than the 10%, means you were holding or pulling the 100 hair strands and more than 10 hair strands are broken or they comes in your hand, then it is not normal, then it is abnormal, which can be because of telogen effluvium or because of some or other disease, and for that you need to consult a doctor. So hair pull test is a very simple test to know. Winter and rainy season are few seasons. They are the season in which there is a temporary increase in the hair loss, which is called as physiological hair loss. So hair pull test, which you can do at home, and a rough estimate what is normal is whatever hair number of hair you have, 10%, if more than 10% you are losing, it is called as telogen effluvium or abnormal hair loss. Even then more simpler, if your hair loss every day is less than 50 strands per day, need not to worry about it. Only thing you should do is regular exercise, stress management, good sleep, good nutrition, vitamin supplements, correct your vitamin deficiency, iron deficiency, and be happy. Thank you.